up to now. The young fan is 2020, 2021 to 2022. I'm say, sa problem and send someone buy no. Abozigi for the be ungrateful because me say me kunto kwabiem. Now I am asking them, say, why am I ungrateful? That is my caption. Why am I ungrateful? If you as the Bible say, adie bia woni pa bia wo je no, wo yedru baby na wo hwa na mmoawa no watwa so. Na before some de man sam ne beba no. Bia the way I can some no interpreting no. And it looks like I'm ungrateful to you people.
Medoba ade asese ode me nkwa ache me wo attention TV so na enemi gu so etiase na mo jari di me mu efusane na pretema so da bodwe ma ati se me de bawe kasa de ababe som eye me man Ghana enen se be na yetwagu ewe social media so se ma yetwagu ni de eye efa abozige group for no am se ye Maame Agradaa you ungrateful se na Agradaa iboni ayefo boni aye pan ni abozige group se Maame Agradaa iboni aye ni na ebran so de ntine wi ase enye boni aye mo menko na enko tie de ntie ye abozige efo na kasa ye Maame Agradaa eye ungrateful se we boni aye ni pa is on kai na chi en on kai de bia na de enko ana ye Maame ka mo menko tie de ntie omo kasa kire ye Maame.
I'm not ungrateful. Me come in social mu na me buy and I'm say the amoyama me nyina mani so I am not ungrateful being. Name mom. So obi bedi matem na ne wudi ebe sa wanu. Se obi bedi matem na wo be kwase na tamas wudi kwadwuma mpo no. Wo be ye late. Name mom senia ye beba bedi matem adi mi kuratem adi mi matem adi mi credibility ato for munti no. Me de men sekan agu form. I will not fight again. So let's ask ourselves, say Sawuni upeni nam what's the done? She is the leader and you are the follower. So if it's the true follower or you love the person from your heart, nani was agrasco all the way. God bless you. Nani pan say Machidi fue, Mado fue, Abozigi fue, and a Yanuma Mudi 20 in Sekain, ya Kwakon, Mulida, Ya Santua, the second, Wabo father dear fa, aka the DNT, was it not yet 2023? Mama Yam Fire and Sekaini ye tuo, and then your ma, a move from Obaha Media Temoha, Udia Tema me block. Because I have made my decision and I don't need, if I come live and only 2 people are watching me, I like it. Don't come here and write any stupidity comments here. Sanya answer mercy no more, make a video me yo. Me catch him pray, you pray fa. Me catch him pray. Because I some me back you know. Samin kumbi no. Ama Anti Mercy Abozigi group no some of them taking it to say I said Dromo Yama many so that is why I am here. Me kwana mi hu here. Anti Mercy na draw my attention. Samami video now here you know. The video is looking like say I said we are ungrateful to you and I am here to tell everybody and you be on your time about Facebook no so because e many be a twemu na me konto kwa mutimi frɛ masofo yi na mo frɛ 1 gig na mo frɛ mi kunu na mo frɛ wo mo do me adan na mo ntu ye nua bayifo mo kasa ncha ye maame onya itokwa no mo kasa nkyere no na ne de awurade adom mo mpa ya mo boye awurade atie na me se mi nku biem dio frio dio chio mama yamfa yense kan enwu fom na yenyo sumdue ne afanye nyame adwuma no me sa fi we wudi matamo a me de be yenku na me de asra anya she but I am here because of abozegefo amodi machi anti mercy mukuo ani abozegefo amowa bonten ye mo adwen say nipa na di na chi kwa ma yensesi fom Edia na kire se mama mo nsesi fom. Some say me nku biem. I want my respect. I need my peace. I need my concentration. And I just say I am ungrateful ana. Me ni obi any problem. And I also interest the oyama me mani anso. Eti no so do me. Eti dia ka wo pen say mekoso akontokwa ana. Me ni ungrateful. From day one go bia yama me bia mani so. Obia many so ye nyina na yaboa ye ho especially the bloggers ye nyina na yaboa ye ho obia yaboa ye ho what must say enti de obia ya ma mi bia no mani so mani eso afa mo ma me mra number 2 yes adentina me ba bonten say me nku bie mu no man can summon no back door. Adentin a man can summon no back door. They are two faces, and I don't afraid to say it. Some of them claiming they love me, no. Some of them were two faces. Because me want some way, say, would you be a chi? Nani pan say, oh yeah, kun. Now so me could be the ya drew no mummy nyai. Me what dear you ungrateful. Enti be pamacho wo abozegefo me nyo ungrateful de amoye mani so but memra the second comment about the reason why I am here. Yes, adentina man can summon no back door, and everybody knows say yenina ya namono amudi machi obia also ya buzigi bia will testify say enipa me ensampe and they get the access to call me obia ya buzigi bia this obia ebi mo muni mikru na ebi makọ mikru inbox mu ana obi wo ha like when we come to the social media ayenam mama parts Aman Krado, Black Jesus. Sani pa 3 way. Yang na ya father say, ye di abozigi fuenim. Black Jesus aya kokonsa empire. And obi enim se many Aman Krado. Enenam. Ghana for say, I thank God he has opened your eyes to see clear. Aman for say adenti. And aman can samono ewo back door. Na me de asamono eba public be kaye samin kubiem. That means I am ungrateful. Said ye can samu wabonten afichire na ansia. You have to come to the public. So can some ewo back door. Na me wo pese asamono eyama wo no se antimi ankoso sama wa. Then you come to the social media for everybody to witness, say, Mama Parts, Mabeka se min kubiem. Send ye beya, se obi one in tokwa bi dada. Now o pese wa kwa, on family din, eme batahu. Sa min kubiem, yen chan tokwa sono, ene, asembia mi kebia no mi jina uredi nyankopon, emo brohun so, e kama ni amakomu. I can't Bible kita me. I can't radia me somono. Bible said that shall not swear. But the person who say, I am speaking the truth. On the 2nd of August, na yadi enwo egu me so. Ewie ye, o deni mi wie ye. And I'm a friend, me nuya Aman Krado will be any say. Menene nenam, ya can't grada, a grada ni Aman Krado ni. na me friend say amai yakun but say awurade ya dom ya de wo agumi so as a reverend minister, as a woman of God, as evangelists. Inti amai muma yenyan tokwano. Muma yen chaso na yenyan tokwano. Aman krado kachire me say me ba ye no na mukumo ntokwa dada e wo social media no so. Me ba ye no na mukumo omo ntokwa dada e wo social media no so. And I'm so okay, sa dia. And ye mo betimi akomo ntokwa na emomo no mamu mo mi din because oba bonten na ba so camera na nko ataki obi na wuwie na ubo mi din achia me ana ubo mi din ka say mama parts me mpene ebi kura na ebi a opese wo ne obi kokon because me buy na mo komo ntokwa dada enti ebi a opese wo ni obi kokon but the moment a wo be wie a wo be ka say I mean prima on for mama parts ani mu nya for mo pe na nipa no te ho a wo say eye me mama parts na asoma wo say bekon.
Oya de share me say o makwaba e de ba attention team say ya bozi group do ne sembebo ya Maame Agradaa so no de odwen ne ho on pensensem bia biem on pentokwa bia biem ti say mo so ungrateful onyo te so oni ayo openade on de asumdie ne wo pe nye se nye otene da se abra ne te so mama ne kenten so a odi kwa afu mo de on pesa 2023 odwen ne ho on pass mo pesa obenya asem odwen mo ma ne nye n'edwuma mo ma ne nye n'edwuma wo man Ghana mu nti abozi group ya Maame se odwen ne ho meda wase se mo je mbre na mo hwe ye mo PSC na natile e wa attention TV so that's ne It's ambitious.